Hi, I'm Thomas and I make stuff. Now last time we made this wonderful wakizashi, so if you haven't checked that out, go check it out right now because today we'll actually be making a sheath for this thing. Yeah. As you can see, we've got ourselves two pieces of wood, and if you put them together, they kind of start to look like a sheath. They don't really. Well, we can't put a sword in there yet, so we'll cut ourselves two grooves down the middle, and then we can hopefully slide it in there nicely, and it's nice and snug and snugly fit. Yeah, let's just go. Yo! It's been a few hours and I have cut a groove in this piece right here. Now I haven't done this one yet, so I'll show you how I did this one by doing this one. I guess that's the only logical thing to do, eh? First things first, I used this chisel to mark the edges and then clear out a bunch of material, and that was also the most time-consuming and painful task I have ever committed myself to, but when I was finally done and most of the material was cleared out, I noticed that my chisel skills really aren't that great. So I then used my Dremel to clean up the mess I had left behind, and now it's looking acceptable. I mean, it's gonna be on the inside, you're not gonna see it, so I guess I can kind of hide my crimes, as Adam Savage would say it. Right? Not that I'm as great as Adam Savage. I mean, he's amazing, right? And he makes so much beautiful things. But yeah, this is awkward. Let's just continue. It's been a while, and I have finished the things, the hole. It's great. It's lovely. The sword fits in nicely. It's nice and snug. It doesn't fall out if you put it upside down. Now, it's not perfect yet, so I will be working on this a little bit longer off camera, but for today I don't really have any more time nor the will to work because I'm full of wounds. There are wounds everywhere you can imagine, and yeah, I'll have to end this video right here. So I hope you have a great time, and I will see you next time where we can finish this boy. It's gonna be awesome, so stay tuned for next week.
You thought it was done, eh? Well, you've got it all wrong. It's not. You see, I'll be doing a 20 sub special giveaway thing. So if you want to participate, just check the description down below and all the details will be in there. And remember, do it now, while you still have the chance. Because I'll be coming at you with a wooden sword. Yeah, that's kind of lame, isn't it?